Welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you how to automatically hide the sidebar in the Opera browser. Whether you prefer a cleaner interface or just want more space for browsing, this setting is easy to activate and makes your browser experience more organized and efficient. First, open your Opera browser. Next, click on the red Opera logo located at the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down until you see the section labeled Sidebar. Click on Manage Sidebar. Here, you'll find the option labeled Automatically Hide Sidebar. Turn this setting on. Once enabled, the sidebar will only appear when you hover your mouse on the left side of the screen. This gives you a much cleaner and wider browsing area. That's it for this tutorial. Now your sidebar will only appear when you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tech tips.